This tutorial will teach you how to create a cute fabric Easter basket. So choose your favorite pastel or Easter themed fabric, download the pattern using the link in the description below, and follow along with the step-by-step. After cutting out your fabric square, you want to apply interfacing to the bag of the fabric. Now you want to fold the square in half and sew the darts on both corners. Measure 2.5 inches from each corner and draw a line. Then you want to sew along that line. Now you want to repeat that step with the fabric folded the other way, and sew the darts on the other 2 corners as well. Once it's sewn, you want to flatten the bottom of the fabric to create a box shape. Now you want to repeat those same steps that you did for the box with the box lining. After the lining is complete, you want to sew the basket and lining together. Place the basket fabric inside of the lining and sew all the way around the perimeter, except you want to leave a little gap on one of the flaps so that you can turn it to the right side later. Before you turn it, you want to make sure that you clip all the corners and the points. This way you'll be able to get crisper and neater edges all along the basket. Now you want to turn the bag to the right side. Using some kind of long pointy tool like a chopstick, or I use a loop turner, can help you get all of the corners poked out nicely. Now you want to top stitch around all the edges. This will make everything nice and neat, and it will also sew up that gap that you left in one of the flaps. Now we want to get the handle ready. Apply interfacing to the handle. Then you want to sew the handle and the lining together along the long edges. Turn the handle to the right side and press it flat. It can help to top stitch the handle to make it a little bit neater. Now you want to sew or glue the handle to the corners of the basket. I prefer to hand sew it in place, but if you prefer to use something like hot glue or fabric glue, you can also do that. And that's it. You're finished. You have a unique fabric Easter basket.